Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashwin and it's been a very long time since we have met. By now it's quite obvious that I love traveling so much. Also, I absolutely love mountains. So, today we are going on one such trip and you guys are most welcome to join us for the journey. Okay bro, are we done here?
Yeah, we're done and let's go. Done.
So, at first we planned a trip for Zanskar and beyond, but जैसे कि आपको पता है, in mountains things never go as planned, so there were slight changes in our plan too.
कहाँ दूर है यार यार तुम्हारे से कुछ भी नहीं होगा कितने पीसेस है चेक करना अभी मैं वो तो नहीं है हो रही तेरी दिल के लैबे में तू यही है कहीं कभी के सहरा में भी आप सा मेरे जैसा दिन वो बड़े हसीन थे रातें भी खुश नसीब थी तूने ही जीवन में लाया था मेरे सवेरा.
Just before you start, I think Ashwin is also flashing the mic.
Sure.
I'm so sorry, I'm just asking other people because you have already sung. So
No
I'm
problem.
just giving other people chance and then
Yeah,
we'll
no
come back
problem.
to you.
No problem.
Ashwin and then John.
Yeah, hi Shweta, I'm a roller singer, but मैं कुछ शेयर करना चाहूँगा आप लोगों के साथ. एक्चुअली आई एम ऑन माई जर्नी टू फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू ले, बट राइट नाउ मैं आप लोगों को सुन रहा हूँ यार. दिस जर्नी इज लाइक गेटिंग ऑन सम अनदर लेवल. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू थैंक ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग. मैंने मतलब हम कोई एफएम कोई किसी फोन वगैरह में किसी का कुछ नहीं चल रहा है. लिटरली वी आर जस्ट एंजॉयिंग द सेशन सो मच. Thank you everyone, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You people are so
Thank you so much.
talented.
To your trip.
You people are so much talented. You are just making our trip so memorable and so beautiful. Thank you for this. Thank you so much. Okay, that's it. Now you guys can continue.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Ashwin.
Guru. Thank you.
Hello, good morning guys. This is Ashwin and we have finally entered Himachal Pradesh. As you can see, it's a very lovely morning. The weather is really awesome here. We have just crossed Bilaspur and if you guys are planning to come, तो मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगा, you guys must carry your e-movement pass with you definitely, and because this is a mandatory thing right now if you are like planning to travel right now. So this is a must-have thing because there is a checking band like 2 or 3 kilometers and you need to have the things properly. So please keep these things in mind and I'll keep you updated and posted regarding each and everything which comes our way. हेलो गाइस, सो फाइनली हम कुल्लू डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एंटर कर चुके हैं. दिस वाज अ वेरी लॉन्ग एंड हेक्टिक जर्नी एंड अभी बस मनाली यहाँ से 30 to 40 किलोमीटर्स बचा है. बट ड्यू टू द पैंडमिक देयर आर नो रेस्टोरेंट्स विच आर सर्विंग, सो हम रास्ते में कुछ खा ही नहीं पाए हैं प्रॉपरली. एंड इट्स बीन अ वेरी लॉन्ग जर्नी. पूरी रात से हम ड्राइव कर रहे हैं. सो अभी रास्ते में जैसे आप कुल्लू से एंटर करेंगे, सो आई एम गोइंग टू लाइक सजेस्ट यू सम स्ट्रीट फूड. कुल्लू में एंटर करेंगे तो आपको यहाँ पे एक छोले कुलचे हैं जो आगे बहुत फेमस हैं. And I am suggesting you that you must try it. And yeah, now I'm gonna show you how it is prepared. Yeah, come along, come with me. हाँ जी भैया, show me. So ये है guys, देखिए तरुण छोले कुलचे नाम से है. It is not a very big shop or something else. This is just a roadside stall. But अगर आपने यहाँ के ये नहीं खाया ना, so it is a total waste. Okay. So please, I am suggesting you must try this.
And as we entered Himachal Pradesh, the first thing we did was to take a dip in this freezing cold water of Byas River. Believe me, it just took away all the tiredness of the journey and we were ready to hit the roads once again.
Hello guys, yes, we have finally reached Manali and it's been a very long journey. We are totally exhausted right now. So we have also decided to take our first halt here in Manali only. And it's been more than 24 hours since we have slept. आपको मेरी शक्ल से एंड मेरी आवाज़ से पता चल रहा होगा यार, it was so much exhausting. बट फाइनली हमें बहुत अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ पर मिल गई है एंड वी हैव ऑल्सो चेकड इन. सो एंड यू वॉन्ट बिलीव कि हमने अपनी जर्नी गुड़गांव से स्टार्ट की थी. इट वॉज लाइक 40 डिग्री और समथिंग व्हेन वी लेफ्ट फ्रॉम गुड़गांव and right now it's 14 degree in Manali. It's so soothing and it's so beautiful around. I'll give you a room tour, try my level best to show you what I'm experiencing right now. It's so soothing out here. I can't believe my eyes. I'm just so happy to be here. गुड़गांव में यार इतना बुरा हाल हो रहा था. Even the weather is so unpredictable over here. It was like drizzling an hour before and now the sky is full of clouds. It feels so cold and cozy. एंड यार यहाँ पे एक फैमिली वगैरह भी रुकी हुई है, एज यू माइट बी हियरिंग द डिस्टर्बेंस साउंड. सो आई थिंक इनफ ऑफ द टॉक्स फॉर नाउ एंड या लेट्स गो. दिस इज़ लिविंग एरिया. ये अभी बहुत मेजअप है एज हमारा सभी सामान यहीं पे पड़ा है फ़िलहाल. अभी हमने सेटअप नहीं किया है बिकॉज आते ही सबको भूख लगी थी तो सब ने जस्ट सब खाने में टूट पड़े. एंड दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट रूम. काफ़ी सही स्पेस है, नॉट दैट मच फैंसी बट इट इज़ अ रियली इन अ बजट वन. जहाँ से बाहर का पूरा व्यू है. आई विल शो यू गाइस, वेट.
So once we were done eating, we went for an evening walk to acclimatize our body, as the next day we were going to gain quite a good altitude, which could have been a shock to our body. One must surely do some sort of physical activity so that our body gets prepared for it. And as it was our first day in Manali, this walk turned into something I have always wished for. Out of 365 days, I get to travel hardly for 20 days. But these are the days I live for. I am able to spend my other days joyfully just because of these 20 days. I can never express this fulfillment I get while I travel, as I am not that much expressive person. But now finally I have found a way to express myself through my videos. Hopefully, you might be liking the way how I feel about it. So don't worry, this was just the beginning of our journey. Please stay tuned, there's a lot more to come in upcoming episodes. Also, please hit the like button if you enjoyed a little and subscribe to my channel for the notifications. Till then, bye, see you and love you.